In a primetime news follow-up, no time to waste. Some vendors affected by the fire at the Ray Market in downtown Kingston are back at work, even as crews continue to clear the rubble in the area. It's 2 days after the massive blaze, and vendors have already started to rebuild. TVJ's Vashon Brown visited the market today.
Down but not out. Back-to-school sales on in earnest at the Ray Market in downtown Kingston. These are some of the vendors who have managed to save some items in Tuesday's fire. Still, there is a concern.
We have the stuff them, but it's still devastated for we can't put up. How we want put up? Nobody now see things. Everybody come and them see the place, but them turn and them gone.
When we visited the area this morning, we saw cleanup activities taking place. Some vendors were not lucky. They saved nothing. They're now looking at the rubble. Stalls were destroyed in the fire, 145 of them. This container is still standing, but look inside. The contents burnt. As the investigations continue into the cause of the fire here at the Ray Market in downtown Kingston, the vendors say they're now left to pick up the pieces. In fact, they've already started to rebuild. Movita's shop is also standing. She's learned from previous fires.
And the reason why I build this is the only thing different from the container on the front in the market. The reason why I build this, we keep on a burn out. So me check say building this now is a better idea, but me still get burn out. There's nothing I leave, nothing but me alone when I stand up right. So I borrow alone, I have to throw a partner, I have kids to eat, I have to pay bills, or I have to survive now. We just have to make some compensation. Consider we.
See we picnic them here. I have to go back to school, nothing there. We have to try a little bag juice and now somebody lend me this, one ice box, one umbrella. I will buy little things every car. If I even want a uniform or one uniform, we have to do what we can do.
Carol has been selling in the Ray Market for the past 7 years. It's about the 5th fire that she's had to deal with. She didn't lose much this time around.
Now I get to take precaution and start to carry my stuff. Sometimes it's heavy for me, but I carry it over still.
Since this is not the first fire at the Ray Market, the vendors say it's time for a long-term fix.
We want the stuff insured and we want a proper fence in the thing them set up proper. If them could have put maybe high install and start money or something, yeah, because we're willing for pay.
Start build up concrete round way, and you have somebody call them collect money at the end of the week. Every Saturday you have to pay, or every day you have to pay $300. So what about this build up something that's the car and burn down and you have a watchman in the place? And then we're all right.
I think that the government must put a more better facility security, and if we could get some more better stalls. Like start from halfway through them, like red something there. I think that should be inside here. I think it's a bit more better.
The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation says it's conducting investigations to identify persons in need of general and emergency assistance relating to Tuesday's fire. In a statement this morning, Deputy Mayor of Kingston, Winston Ennis, said the corporation will be working to have the market restored. This is the second fire to destroy the market in less than a year. In recent times, there have also been fires at the Papine and Redemption markets. The Deputy Mayor says plans have been tabled to experiment with a variety of mitigating equipment like fire sprinklers in markets and CCTV cameras with real-time monitoring. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.